Hey crafty friends, it's Alyssa with Crafting to Cope, and I'm on today with a fun mystery haul. So Erin over at Coop's Place Crafts sent me a package from SHEIN, and I have no idea what she picked out for me, but we are going to go through it together. So if you're not following Erin, she does have a YouTube channel and an Instagram, Facebook, all the things. And she went on SHEIN, which they do have craft supplies if you didn't know, and all kinds of fun things. And she picked me out some goodies. So we're going to reach in this bag and we are going to pull out and see what she sent me. So, ooh, this looks like some Halloween goodies. So the first thing she picked out is some trim. Look at this adorable trim. So it has like this little trim, like gold trim, little black balls, like some, I don't know if it's leather or faux leather, and orange. And then it has these cute little jack-o'-lanterns on it. That is adorable. This is going to be fun to use in my crafty projects. That's cute. Thank you. I am so excited to start Halloween crafting. I need to start working on some fun things once I'm done with my birthday challenge reveals, but until then, we're going to enjoy some fun packages. I have another Halloween haul coming up that I'm going to share with you all pretty soon. All right, we have, looks like washi. So we have some rolls of washi. Let's see if we can, I'm just going to cut the cover off because I'll probably put the washi in with my other washi so you can see it without the glare. This is fun. Look at all these cool washies. So there's this one with the jack-o'-lanterns and candles. This one is a bunch of little spooky bats and skulls. Little skulls and bones. Cauldrons and witch hats. Little ghosties. And then this one has a tiny little print on it. It's little skulls, bones, spider webs. That's cute. I'm so excited for Halloween crafting. I love every holiday, but Halloween has always been one of my favorites since I was a little kid. That's super cute. All right, what else we got in here? Ooh, some more trim. I'm a sucker for the trim. Oh, this one is so cute. Let's see if I can get the tape off here and show you. I love these types of trims because you can use it as trim, or you can cut each one of these little individual jack-o'-lanterns off. Look at how cute that is. Adorable. I love it. I'm such a sucker. I have so much ribbon, but I never can have enough. Oh, it's my favorite little vintage Halloween. Let's see what these are. Are these decorations? I love vintage Halloween, and I am loving, like, Michael's and everything has so much fun Halloween stuff this year, like vintage. So I can use these as like big pieces of ephemera. It comes with this little ribbon, and I believe it's supposed to be a garland, but you can use these cute little things in your crafting. Little owl. Looks like there's 2 of each. Little kitty cat. Oh my goodness. I love these. They kind of have like Joanna Parker vibes. A little skull, which I love Joanna Parker Halloween. Look at that ghosty. That's so cute with this little curly Q. And then look at that cat. Ooh, I love these. I'm gonna have to, I don't know if I'd hang them up as a banner. Maybe I will. Maybe I will. We'll see. I love it. Love, love it. Love it. All right. Oh my goodness. This is a big chunky package. What do we got in here? Oh my goodness. This is so fun. And I've never actually bought anything off of SHEIN. Ever. One day I'm going to do a haul and buy some stuff from there. But I've gone and looked, but I've never like completed a purchase. Look at these they're little wood pieces. So we got a little trick-or-treater knocking on a door, and it looks like there's 3 of each one. So we have trick-or-treaters. Oh, look at their vintage. A little boy and a girl and a black cat coming out of a pumpkin. Those are so cute. Look at that little girl. I actually have a picture. I did this with my youngest son. I got his pictures taken with a photographer, and we cut out for his legs and his arms. He was a good sport at first, and then he's like, I'm over this. But he was just a little chubby guy, and I put him in a pumpkin for Halloween pictures. Look at this one. Oh my goodness, these are adorable. I can use these in my crafting. Like, they would make cute little things on top of like an embellishment box. They're so cute. Look at this little boy and girl in her cute little witchy dress. Those are adorable. This reminds me of like a decoration that I had when I was a kid. A little happy bat. And again, a little chubby cheeks and a pumpkin. Look at the little sweet kitty. Oh, those are cute. And they have holes in them, so I could make little garlands out of them. The cute little witchy girl. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at the little cute black cat with the green eyes. Those are so cute, and I can do all kinds of fun things with those. Thank you. All right. Oh, there's some strawberry shortcake in with the Halloween. Let's see what this is. Oh, it's like a cup koozie maybe? Let's see what it says. It doesn't say. I think this is for like you could put your drink in there. That's cool. I'll use that because I actually am annoyed all the time. Like, I'll clean my whole kitchen and then my cup will sweat on the counter and it drives me nuts. I don't know why. Only when my kitchen's clean. Otherwise, it doesn't really bother me. All right, what is this? Happiness pack. It's a little mix of everything. There's some Halloween, some strawberry shortcake, and a happiness pack. Let's see. What is a happiness pack? Oh, look at that. Little coffee. I love coffee. Like, I am such a coffee addict. Like, I can't get through a day without a coffee. And that's what my coffee cup looks like when I go pick it up. So it's little Post-it notes and coffee theme. I love that. Thank you. She knows me too well. All right. There's still more in here. Ooh, more fun trim. Let's see. This one's purple. Oh, it's little purple spider webs. Let's see if I can get it open. Wish I had a pokey tool down here. I think these scissors might be too big. There we go. I can't get the tape off my finger. Okay. Little purple spider webs. Those are so cute. Oh, Erin, you know me too well. All these goodies. I think there's still one more thing in here. Let's see. Yep, one more thing. All right. It looks like a pack of cards, maybe? But they look cute, and they're Halloween. Looks like it came with some stickers. They're like postcard, or you could use them as ephemera, but they're like the size of postcards. Stay spooky and bright. Have a pumpkin-filled Halloween. So much spooky fun in the best way. Oh, look at that. Our sweet little Halloween pumpkin. Spooky pumpkin party. Oh, these are cute. I like them. They kind of have like the vintage vibe. Look at, I love those colors. Oh, little kitty. Look at that adorable ghost with the top hat. These are cute. Oh, it looks like my Cheeto. Looks like my kitty. I love it. Look at that cute little bat. Tons of spooky Halloween fun. That one's cute. Oh, I like these. These would make really cute like card fronts too. Like if you wanted to just make a card, you could just add this to like a fun little like orange and black card front. And then it comes with stickers, which I don't know why, but I'll take stickers. I can do something with those. Erin, you did a good job. I love it all. I'm gonna definitely figure out if I'm gonna use these as a banner. I think I know a place I could hang it, but they're so cute and they would match the new Michael's paper collection. I love it. Thank you so much for my little surprise mystery haul from SHEIN. If you guys don't do any shopping on SHEIN, they have some good deals there. I've looked, haven't purchased yet. But if you're not following Erin over at Coop's Place Crafts, go give her a follow. Her and her sister do fun little exchanges like this all the time. And I sent her mystery D-stash. I bought a D-stash for her, but it was a mystery to her of what was inside. So then she sent me a little D-stash too. So I love it. Everything is so cute. I can't wait to think of fun ideas to use all these new items. Thanks so much, Erin, and thanks everybody for stopping by and watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye.